Let's see how to copy and compare structures. Say I have created a structure called book, and it has two member variables, the book title and the price. Say I have initialized B1, means I have created one variable of type book B1, and I have initialized it to C programming and $300 for the price. So in the location it would look something like this. So B1 B title would have got C programming and price is this. Now say suppose I want to copy this here. Okay, in real time that's not required, but for an example I've just taken. Say I create one more variable of type book called B2. Now if at all I have to store the same details in another variable, I can simply assign it like this. Okay, B2 equal to B1. So what happens in that case? The B2 gets memory allotted and the contents of B1 gets copied to B2 as well. This is quite simple. Copying structures from one structure to the other structure. Okay, this is one way. If you have to copy just one, the title or just the price, or it could be just like this, B2 dot price is equal to B1 dot price, only just a few set of member variable values. If you have to copy, you can copy like this, but when you do this way, the entire the copy of this B1 gets copied to B2. This is how you copy structures. Now coming to comparing. Now say suppose the same example I would like to rewrite or reuse. So struct book B1, say I give C programming. Okay, and the price is this, and I have struct book B2 is equal to, say I give and C, and you specify it like this. This is the value that you specify. So this is how you have initialized. So how would it look like in the location? It would look in B1, it would be like this. That is C programming, and the value for price is 300, and for B2 it would be like this, right? And CC and 250, right? These are values. Now say suppose this structure is storing n number of book details, so each variable holds a different book details in it, and the customer wants to say compare or wants to buy the book which is of low cost. In that case you need to compare the structure, right? So that comparison, so in this it's very clear that what you have to compare. So you need not compare the title of the book, you have to just check the price of the book. So you can give the condition, if B1 dot price is less than B2 dot price, you can just convey to the customer that percentage yes is your best pick, right? So you can just give B1 dot B title, so that would print the user which book he has to pick. Else it's understood that the B2 is the book what for the customer is looking for, so is your best pick. So you can have b2 dot b that. So this is how you compare two structures. So quick revision. How do you copy two structures? So you can have one structure with values and you can directly copy that structure with the other one. So all the contents of that gets copied, and comparing wise you can have comparison done with each of the member values through different structure variables, and you do it. Thank you.